I want attention.
Begging that it doesn't happen to her, Mom.
Oh, it's so funny. Milo, you are crazy. You think he wants to help her, or he wants in there to play?
No, I think he wants to play.
Misty, are you afraid? Huh? Are you afraid, kitty cat? Huh? Are you afraid you're next? Look at Milo.
Stop rubbing on me, Tiggy.
Milo. He says, I'll do anything for fun.
Oh, I think Tiggy's into cleaning herself. Chippers.
All right, time to go finish cleaning up the rest of the mess.